Yo, we're about to be very, very, very illegal. I'm about to do some illegal activities. Ooh, ooh.
Bro, turn around, he heard us.
This limited right here?
It's kind of like pieced together to make it big.
What do you mean by that?
All right, guys, so we just put up to Statesboro. We're at the squat house. I have Big here at Statesboro as well. He hasn't been on the channel in a very long time. When we put up, Big instantly got on the back of the truck right here with some bags on it.
Let me see what's going on. Where the owner at? Let the owner hit it, because we don't know who doing what. You ready for takeoff? What's in your hand? The remote. You ready for takeoff? Man, hold on, let me try it. All right, well, 3, 2, I ain't worried about 1. Oh, shit! That was easy.
Good boy.
Oh, stop shut.
RJ did pull up. RJ drove from Florida. He did just get some brand new 26 by 14. I really like the wheel. I just don't like the fact that if you curb him, he is cooked because it is a cast wheel, but it still looks good. I'm not gonna lie, if I'm being honest, I love cast wheels only because cast wheels get that real chrome look, and then forged wheels, you gotta like make it look like it's chrome, but it's not chrome.
You ain't got forged wheels?
I did at one point. I sold them a few months ago.
You a brokey?
He just put police sirens on his truck. RJ,
Yeah.
hit the sirens real quick. Yo, we're about to be very, very, very illegal. I'm about to do some illegal activities. We're about to go do some great activities. People gonna think that we're the police. So we gotta turn this on. We gotta... Good boy, let's go. I should not be doing this, but why not?
Chance again, I even told him please.
Look at him, look at him, look. Why did him, why did him? Ooh, ooh. Look, he look confused as hell. New modification that I'm going to put on my truck, 1010%. RJ, if you don't take this janky ass wiring away from
I don't know where else to put it right now.
Yo,
I don't drive a base model.
it look like you drive one after this.
Bruh.
Look, look, look. Is that a cop right there?
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Good boy. Hey, twin. I should hit it.
No, you should.
I should hit it.
Oh my.
Goodbye.
Bro, turn around, he heard us.
Look, look, look. Oh, she screamed.
I get this woman right here.
Get her?
Yeah.
Okay.
What the fuck I done did now? I know I ain't done shit wrong, right? I know I ain't done shit wrong, bro.
You going to jail. You going to jail.
All right, guys, so a full 30 days. I did not pick this camera up all December, so you guys know we have to pull the new year off correct, and we're currently in Statesboro, Georgia. Happy New Year to you guys. I hope you guys have the best year that you ever asked for. I hope you guys have the year that you desire. Keep grinding, work hard, get your mind right, get some money. Don't need no problems all 2026. Without God and you guys, I would not be here today, so thank you guys so much for subscribing to this channel. My views have been low. I don't know what is going on with YouTube ever since I'm with the FP show. I don't know what happened, but we're about to pick them back up. I think this show gonna be 10 times bigger than last show that we had here in Statesboro.
They talking about doing what to who? Alright, hell nah, I gotta get on first.
Yeah, I hear a whole lot talking, but fuck they talking. Which one of y'all wanna die first? Nigga talking about doing something little me. Nigga must wanna be a motherfucking t-shirt. I don't let nothing slide, nigga, you would be murdered. Gon' let them charge you up, put a bat in your back. Man, I better get a nigga unplugged, they sell. Yeah, you say you want smoke, you better fire up first. We ain't playing in the field, we ain't playing on turf. Yeah, been playing with guns since nerve. This shit ain't off on, I been scarred, I been hurt. Seen some of my dogs in the back of a hearse.
This is my old Yukon. This is the spindle lift on 28 by 16, my old Forgiatos. Jake, we call JP, owns the old Yukon now. And this is Jake Limited that he just got. It's a 6.7.
It is a limited, it's got that nice interior.
Now you're gonna delete it?
When my warranty's up.
I say jiggy jiggy. I know you.
You guys did see the What's in These video a month ago. Jake did have the Tahoe that you saw was a crazy custom lift kit. As you can see right here, they hooked him up the same exact lift. I don't know if it's as big as Jake's though.
It's just a touch bigger, but it's also, I think, like in retrospect, we're using like crew cab, short bed, so it's longer than a Tahoe.
14 to 18 trucks will forever sit bigger than a 07 to 13, no matter what you do to them.
These angles are way better than Jake angles.
Similar to Jake's, we took a bulletproof. This was meant for an 18. We did the same thing, we cut it in half, stretched it out, added about 10 inches of metal right about here. All right, then we added that like iconic bulletproof V. We added a second one right above it to kind of show that it's the double bulletproof. It's double the height. After that, we kind of stretched the upper drop. It's a little different than Jake's. Like these have KSP uppers. They don't have the full Heim uppers. Jake had the Wicked Fab tie rods. These have like a full conversion to Heim and everything.
Do you recommend Heims or do you recommend the regular uppers?
I like these more.
Okay.
I think they have more adjustability. They're easier to work with. Those are like set up for a factory use.
How many washers on here? We got 1 washer, 2 washer, 3 washer, 4 washer, 5 washer, 6 washer. Yeah! Damn!
I'm gonna try to stack a max track to make it bigger.
You're a victim.
You gotta get inside this truck, all right?
I don't know if I could get in that big bitch. I don't want everyone watching me, bro. Hey, what if I get in the back and climb to the front? I need a step stool. They want me to get in this bitch. Will you push my ass up there? I guess I will. Okay, ready? 1, 2.
Do you think that you can drive this truck now that you're inside of it?
He ain't got no camera in this bitch, hell no.
We are the champions, my friends.
You done fuck. You done fuck.
I'm not gonna lie, with Jakes, I can see a little bit, but the way these hoods are made, you're not seeing nothing at all. Like, you have to look out the sunroof or look out the side of the truck. My guy just built this steel body on these boggers.
We put it together in 4 days in the driveway. And it drives. I can drive it like 120 miles an hour, it'd be fine.
So it is on 20x16 silk forged wheels on 44 boggers. It is a steel body. It is a Wicked Fab lift kit, as you can see. He have a lot of powder up under here.
It's on a 18 to 20 coilover lift. It's kind of like pieced together to make it big. It's bagged in the rear. They're semi-bagged. It's a PMF kit. I got it on 4 valves and true 1/2-inch line.
Jill, what's your favorite truck here so far?
It's the F-150 Limited over there with purple and blue powder. Over there, that bitch is gangsta.
This right here is stepping. Like, this limited right here, 10 out of 10.
You know what's illegal?
Bro, chill.
Riding his dick with no license.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm getting cooked.
Okay. I don't like RJ truck. I love this limited. It looks way better than RJ truck. I'm not gonna lie, both of their trucks super clean. You can see 7.9-inch FTS. I don't think that's the chrome cross member. It looked like it's like chrome powder or something like that. He got powder low control arm. He got 26x16 KG1 wheels on it. Full FTS kit. Looks super clean. It's a limited F-150. Bro.
From St. Augustine, Florida.
Y'all, this thing looks so good. What you got done to this?
It's a 1-inch body lift, 4-inch spindles, 3.5-inch RC struts, RC uppers, all everything powdered. It's got SS-8 bags on 1/2-inch clip now. You know I got the wall in there. 12? Yeah, 12 MR 2000.
And he got the stars inside the sunroof too, that's dope. My guy just installed this Rocket Fosgate sub right here. He paid $1,300 for it.
It's a Rocket Fosgate T213. It's tuned to 28 hertz. It's a triple stack magnet, so it's a big ass fucking magnet on there. I got a 2,500 watt amp on it and a 600 watt amp to my door. It's 156 decibels.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care. Let me tell you. We don't care.
Here it almost shattered the back.
All right, guys, so as you can see first, you can see it got an elevated kit. It got a full mini cradle right there. Elevated mini cradle, got KG1 wheels on here. It got overlays on here. Truck is fully decked out, fully color matched. It's an F-250. No way a Camaro pulled up to the show. Jesus Christ. I did not expect this to come to the show at all, y'all. This is a full race car right here. Jesus Christ. What you got done to this car?
70 Camaro, split bumper, 6-liter LS, 88mm turbo. I'll drive it to work, drive it here, I'll drive it all over the place. Real
How much
slow.
horsepower is it?
Can't tell you all that.
You're a victim.
Over 1,000.
What's the fastest you've been in it?
It's been 8 1/4.
You got this 1985 C10. You can see the front axle is completely painted. As you can see, got the leaf springs done. He went with the blue and the white combo.
Got a 4-inch BDS lift on. I fully powdered it. It's got a 2-inch block underneath. Back is just 4 with a shim. Interior's got custom seats. It's been a work in progress. 2414 KG1s.
On the floor, 36 souls. Bust it out the casket, take it to the stove. I just wanna break it down and rock it up. Mr. Arm and Hammer, lock it up. New paper on the floor. casket, take it to the stove. I just wanna break it down and rock it up. Yeah, Mr. Hammer, lock it up. Plug made it safe, nobody caught a case. 250,000 on 20s in a safe.
Avery finally got a wall done. He just got it built within like a week. The debate is, who you think is louder? Y'all two. I'll put y'all on the spot. Who you think is louder?
If he's being honest, he knows who.
6, 7, like.
That's on me, but I have eyes on him right now.
Okay, I haven't heard it yet. You gotta put on one in here. Let me see. This is big, first time ever comes to any of my shows. What do you think about my show so far?
I love it.
All right, so look, we about to do the audio competition. You know audio. What you think about these audio builds here so far?
They great. A lot of things y'all got going on. I like it.
All right, guys, so we got 10 trucks about to do the audio competition right now. There's so many SUVs, so many pickup trucks. About to see who came with the loudest and baddest audio here in Statesboro. Let's get right into it. Guys, who got the loudest audio? Come on. All right, y'all ready? All right, let's go. What's up? Crowd voted that the 4Runner won that one, so the Hummer's out. All right, y'all, so look, we got Avery with the Escalade versus the Tahoe. Eminence and PRV, and they're all PRV, so. All right, so 3, 2, 1, let's go. Big one. Both sound similar. That's what the crowd voted. So now we'll let them run it back. We're gonna see how it sounds. You ready? Y'all play another song. All right, so right now we're gonna do the 4Runner versus the Escalade. We about to see who's gonna be the loudest. All right, you ready? Let's go. I'm ready to see these two go, all right? Between the two, I think we say that Joe for the Tahoe. All right, guys, so we just did the audio competition. I'm about to do exhaust competition, starting with this Silverado right here. We're gonna see who got the loudest exhaust. So we're about to go ahead and let him do it, and we're gonna see who's the loudest. We got here one more time. That thing right there is loud, boy. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for coming out here. We had a great time. Before we get to the trophies, we're going to get prepared first.
And Heavenly Father, we're coming to you today. We thank you for bringing us here safely, Lord. Please let us have a great time with no bad injuries or anything like that, Lord. We pray you keep us healthy and safe for the rest of the weekend and the evening, Lord. And safe travels back to our homes between tonight and tomorrow. In our Outlaw Culture Florida chat, there was a kid that commented that one of his best friends had passed away in a house shooting, I believe this morning. So we just put a hedge of protection around the family and the lost ones and loved ones that have to deal with this at this time. And I know it's rough. I couldn't imagine going through something like that. But we'll stretch your hands to them. We love you, Lord. We thank you, praise you for all you do for us. Keep us safe and healthy. Just so you pray. Amen.
Thank you, RJ. I appreciate that, bro. This man ain't touched nothing in a year. This man is cuddling with a blow-up mattress. His life is long. I guess his life of a big guy. A big guy to get no play.
You finna give me some wet? Some guac too, Doc? Ooh. If you do it with no hand, ooh, that thing big. Ooh. Shoot where at, bro. It's like a hallway. I can't do nothing to him.
So me and Big just made a deal. He wants the best show trophy. He wants to take this home. I told him if he give me 100 real push-ups, he can take it home.
This is a real push-up here.
Did you just fart?
How my stomach hitting the ground?
Man, you just farted. I knew you was a female. I knew it.
You gotta do it like this on the side. 3.
Yeah. Bro. You got this part.
Yeah, no. You want to blow up, man.
What the hell is you doing?
All that on the blow up, man, about your home. Hey, baby, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower. That was good. I'll let you.
Go ahead.